Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing a different video than I normally do. Normally I just do gaming stuff, but today I'm going to teach you how to cook broccoli florets in the oven so that they actually taste good. Like if you, like I understand how kids don't like vegetables, but this will make your kids love vegetables, at least broccoli, in this sort of way. So first what you want to do, the easiest way to do it is, okay, so first you preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then you take a bag of broccoli florets, make sure they're all broken up, and then you just put a little bit of olive oil. I don't know if you can see that, okay? Just put a little bit in there, not too much. And now you shake it up. You shake this up. And then you put some salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt. Just put a couple pinches, like 2, 3, maybe 4 if you want. I'll do 4. And then you put some salt. Let me open this. Well, it opened a lot quicker than I thought it would. There we go. Alright, shake it up again. Ooh, I was trying to get out. And then you place it on a cookie sheet. You gotta spread it out. And this tastes amazing, you guys. Like, I eat it a lot. Like, I think it was, we found out about this through, like, what was that one place? It's that, one place that you order food from, like that meal kit place. One of those meal kit places, I forget what it was. But I learned it from there. And I loved it, you guys. I absolutely loved it. I encourage you guys to try this out. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll resume once oh yeah, you put them into the oven for 30 minutes. I just took them out frozen, so 30 minutes. Might want to adjust the time or keep an eye on them if they're not completely frozen. So yeah, I'll pause the video and I'll be right back once they're done. Okay, you guys, I am back, and make sure you can see that. There we go. I have the broccoli already, and it's very good. I'm gonna take a bite. That's good. And now all you want to do is, like, I prefer to add soy sauce to it. I'm using, I don't know if you can see this, Liquid Aminos. It's Bragg's brand. See, Bragg. It's like a healthy soy sauce. You just put a little on here. Now you spread it all around. Even better. So yeah, guys, that's all. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you can tell me if you make it, if you enjoyed this. Yeah, bye guys.